Hello guys, you are welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for following me, for subscribing to my channel. I so much appreciate every one of you. Alright, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can back up your WordPress website. Having finished designing a particular website, instead of losing the website to one thing or the other, you can back your website up so that whenever you purchase your domain name, you can easily install it back and everything will just keep on going smoothly without losing anything. So I will take you through. All you need to do is to stay with me while we do this together. All right. So first of all, you need to purchase your domain name, have your cPanel, and you'll be your WordPress. So now, for you to do that, there's a particular plugin you need to install on your website. The name of the plugin, come to your plugin. That's it. You come to plugin, click on Add New. All right, click on Add New. Okay, so search for all-in-one WP. All right, it has the number one. It also has the pro version. All right, the number one is what you can see here. You can see this is the number one. All right, this is free. You can see it here, all-in-one WP migration. You install it. Okay, once you install, then you activate. It. All right, so having done that, you need to install the pro version. The pro version, you can't find it there, so I will have to install it from my system. All right, I have to install it to my system. I'll click on upload. You can see upload plugin, and I'll click on choose file. Click on choose file. So I'll go to my download there. Just come to my download. Go to my download and search for all-in-one. Can you see there? All-in-one WP migration. This is the pro version. I'll click on open and I'll click on install. You can see it's very easy. Then I'll activate. Perfect. So the moment you do that, you come, any plugin you install, it will always appear on your left hand side. Can you see the one I just installed now? All-in-one WP migration. So I'll click on, because I want to back it up, it is called export. I want to export the file. So I will click on export. You can see it here. Right, click on export and I'll click on export to file. Can you see it there? Export to file. If you want to do it to Google Drive or Dropbox, any of them, but I like doing my own to file. Just click on file. So it will export everything that you have done, both the database, the files, all the pages you created. It will export it. Once you are done exporting, you cannot download it to your system. So we'll just wait for it to export all the files. You can see all the media, everything on this website. It will export it. So we just have to wait for it to export. All right, can you see that the files that are done exporting? Can you see it now? So once you're finished like this, all you need to do is to click on it and it will download to your system. You won't lose anything. Your database is still intact. All the pictures, all the pages, everything you created, they are still there. So once you export it like this, you can now download. All right, you cannot download. Now let me close this. So if you are done with it and you want to upload it back to your system, all you need to do is to come to your all-in-one migration, the same process I just followed. You come over to it and you click on import. Remember, the first one we did is to export it to our system. Now you want to take it to a new website and import. You want to upload to a new website. All you need to do is to install those two plugins I installed. Then you come over to what is called import. All right, you import. Let's say for instance I want to import. If I click on import, I will have to import from file. Then I can now upload the file I just downloaded and everything will work perfectly. You won't lose anything. You won't lose any file. Your images, your content, your pictures, your text, everything are still intact, even up to your database. All right, it's that easy. Try this. You won't lose any of your website again. Hope you got value from this. See you in my next video. And if you like to get access to the pro version of all-in-one migration, just send me a DM and all-in-one migration is yours. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.